Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make yogurt sauce. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see our ingredients. 4 big spoons of natural plain yogurt, some green mint leaves, 1 big spoon of lemon juice, 1 small spoon of natural apple vinegar, half spoon of onion powder, half spoon of garlic powder, a quarter spoon of black pepper, and some salt. These are our ingredients, and now let's see how to prepare our sauce. First, we're gonna chop the mint leaves. After that, put it over the yogurt. Add over it the spices and the salt, the vinegar, the lemon juice. Then mix all together very well. And that's it. We have our yogurt sauce. It's a very delicious sauce. You can use it as a dip with French fries or barbecue. You can also eat it alone or with the bread. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye.